You've seen me do this before, people. I swear by it. So many people don't. If they don't, well, that's not my problem. I'm asking you people to. DIYs. This owner, this DIY has put all the sheets around the wrong way, but it doesn't matter. When I told him, he was horrified. I said, mate, it doesn't matter. He's Canadian. Not that that means anything. Hey, you know, like Michael Bublé's Canadian. He's awesome. No, I'm only fooling, but yeah, he is Canadian, but he didn't realise that he was putting that he had put the sheets on back front. I've put that one up, and it's the right way around, but it doesn't matter because it's not being painted. It's actually better, I reckon, because you've got a rougher surface. I've had, well, my wife and I have had 2 days while I've been waiting for this floor to dry. We've had 2 days with our 2 grandies. One is 14, one is 12. Far out they can eat. And I'll tell you, it's bloody, I reckon it's bloody expensive, boy. To what it used to be. Oh, Jesus, I don't know how parents do it. I'm grateful that I make good money and I am able to afford it, but you know, take them out for sushi, holy bloody hell, like 90, $100 for the 4 of us, because they got good appetites, but because they're out with their Nana and Poppy, well, you know, they'll eat six dishes each. I laugh. But you know, then you go to the pictures, far out. We went and saw Moana 2. And you pay for the 4 of us, and that was $75. And I thought, holy shit! And then you get a couple of popcorn and a couple of ice creams, and that was another 50. And you sort of think, shit, how do people do it with 4 kids? You got to take a backpack of Tucker, I suppose, do it that way. When we had kids, it wasn't really the thing then to go to the pictures too much. I'm glad I'm a Poppy I was always sort of busy working. I'm a better poppy than what I was a father. I'm a good father, you guys don't get me wrong, but I was always busy working, which is a good thing because I was providing for my children, my kids. One's 43 now and the other one's 41, and we love each other dearly, and it's all good. But a lot of times I wasn't around, I was busy working, providing. Anyway, they send me bloody emails about going on the pension. I don't want to get, like, I'm 68 soon, and no, I'm 68 now. I'm be 69 soon, and they're always sending me stuff about going on the pension. Well, I don't want to go on the pension. What do I want to go on the pension for? And be told what I'm allowed to make. Get stuffed. If I'm fit enough and I'm still able to work, why would I settle for $400 a week? You got to be joking. You've got to be yoking. Okay, see now, that's my sealer on the walls. Now the Fluor. I've got a fan going, so which the owner has set up. I've got my own, but that's a lot quieter. I haven't really taken any notice how good it is. But this will be all drying pretty quick. But all I say, DIYs, please prime your walls. You don't have to be neat and tidy or anything like that, but your glue doesn't stick to dust. Doesn't matter what glue you're using. It could be the absolute, like I reckon I use a good glue. Some people reckon it's shit. Well, I've been using it for a lot of years. I don't have bloody tiles falling off my wall. You know why? Because of prime. I don't stick to dust. It doesn't matter what glue you use if you're sticking to dust, and they have done for years. because walls haven't been primed. They don't get primed. Okay, people, right. That's looking good. By the time I get myself set up, look at my phone for 5 minutes, this will all be dry. I'll set up my bandage, I'll set up my waterproof, and we're humming. And we're humming. Right, pop that there. Okay, people, look at that. I like it. See you soon.